My name is Spencer Mehl, and I'm the part owner of Lijdsman Insurance with Danielle here.
Yeah, my name's Danelle Layton and I'm co-owner with Spencer.
Lijdsman Insurance is a insurance brokerage. We sell personal auto, personal property, farm, commercial auto, commercial property, recreational vehicle insurance, as well as your Alberta registries and the fish and wildlife.
Lijdsman Insurance has been here since 1946, started by my great-grandpa Frank, and me and Spencer took it over January 1st, 2019. It's really wonderful. We're really excited to be here to offer our services to both Oyen and Cereal and the whole area. Yeah, we have an office in Cereal right now.
Yes, we both are. We were both born and raised here in Oyen. Yeah, it's really exciting. We get to be able to service the community and our clients, whether you're in the specific small area of the special areas or all throughout Alberta. We get to treat all of our clients with that little local touch that we try to provide.
My great-grandpa Frank started it, and he ran it part-time, doing that in carpentry, I believe. And then my grandpa John ran it. For a long time, he both did insurance and he was the town administrator. And our business has really taken off when my dad Paul took it over. And it's kind of what we've got today is just a wonderful business that we work full-time at, and we employ several employees now.
We have 10 staff, full-time staff, including 2 contract staff as well, between the Oyen and Cereal office. We both attended the Mount Royal College Business Insurance and Business Administration Insurance Diploma program.
Mm-hmm.
Danielle went on and got her Chartered Insurance Professional (CIP) designation, and then just basically the years of experience. We both worked in Calgary for a short period of time before coming back to Oyen, and then the experience that we got working here with Lijdsman Insurance gave us the basis of and the knowledge of being able to take over this business. Probably the time, not enough hours in the day to get through some of the paperwork. Also trying to balance home life, work life, personal life. That can be a bit of a challenge right now with the workload. Do you have anything to add to that?
Well, we're only about 1 year into it, so in the last year, just finding our balance with our new roles within this business also. Being an employer to people we've worked with for several years. It's all been a big learning experience.
Probably all of the encouragement that we've gotten from our employees, our communities, our families, also the insurance industry. They've all been very encouraging and tried to help us out. It's been great. Also being our own bosses, being able to feel pride in that, it's been wonderful. Probably the key driving force to become an entrepreneur is being able to work for yourself, being able to be a business in the community that can help the community and the surrounding communities and the clients. And yeah, I'm not sure. Do you have anything else to add to that?
Yeah, part of it for me was the fact that I'm the 4th generation to own this business here. So it's kind of been passed on to my hands for the caregiving in the time being, and it makes me really proud and excited.
Being an entrepreneur definitely has affected family life a little bit. It's made things, or made us spread our time very thinly between work and personal and family and things like that. But it's been a wonderful experience so far, and very fortunate that we've had the opportunity to have this. So, is there anything else?
Yeah, we're very fortunate also that we have kids in the same age range. So we understand a lot of the same stuff that's going on with each other. The need to maybe take a day off here or there, or run to take your kids to activities. Not only that, we have such a supportive staff that are always here manning the fort if for some reason we have to get up and go somewhere very quickly. Well, we're only 1 year in, so I guess we've really just started, and we'll have to revisit this question, in
In
the
a few
future.
years' time, yeah.
we're still learning and growing, and it's tough to say because right now it's also fresh and new still.
I guess if one thing to add to that is if you have to be prepared to work, that's for sure. It takes a lot of energy and a lot of time to make sure that you keep the business going. In our case, we had an established business and we want to continue to make it being successful, and that's a big shoes to fill. So definitely be prepared to put in some time.
Yeah.
Probably a good work ethic, good organization, good staff, which we're very fortunate. We have wonderful staff. Also, good clients that appreciate what you're doing. I'm not sure. Do you have anything extra?
Just the time and energy to put it in, and building more on being organized. You need to be organized both physically in your physical space and mentally, emotionally. All of those things become draining, and to have yourself prepared in a good mental mindset was very key for myself, at least. Spencer probably is even more so this way, when you get phone call after phone call after phone call after phone call, trying to mentally arrange everything you're supposed to be doing can get to be, so you need to be organized. As much as we get disorganized from time to time, you need to come back to your form of organization, because each of us have a different form. Spencer's is very different than mine.
Chaos is a form of organization.
He's got his organization and I've got mine, but that mental mindset, I think, just take things one step at a time, and as much as you're able to, do things in your own way.
Continuing to have support of our clients, our employees, and the continued support of our communities, surrounding communities, is key to the success of this business.
Yeah. And then the simple things of just even here, our physical space in our office, we need a little more space. We hope to employ a few more people, a few more brokers in the future. So growing and expanding, and the physical needs of doing that are going to be key for us also.
Yep. We kind of did a little bit of research on it, and we kind of found one that we liked, and
it was one that I saw several years before we even took this over, and it was something that I thought about during the process when we were purchasing the business. And it's quality means doing it right when no one is looking, which was from Henry Ford. So at the end of the day, it doesn't matter if it's a big, huge app or just a small individual one vehicle thing, doing it right every single time. Behind the scenes, we don't need to be congratulated or given approval for it. So just putting in quality work all the time.
yes, we have a business plan. And for other entrepreneurs, we think it's also a good idea as well to have a business plan, so they can continue moving their business forward in the right direction and have goals to achieve.
Mm-hmm. Prior to us purchasing the business, it was very important that we knew each other's expectations, and so we got this business plan in place just so there was no surprises. I guess just how quickly everything changes. The rules and regulations change within our industry very fast. Yeah.
Also, too, I think it's important, like people should know in the industry, as a policyholder, it's very important to look over your policy and make sure you're covered for the proper things as things increase in price, things to like purchase price, everything goes up. It's important to protect your investment, and I think it's extremely important to ask questions and to contact us if you do have questions, or contact your insurance broker if you have questions. That's a thing in our industry that I think everyone should know about.
Mm-hmm.